Hello and welcome back to another Dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. I'm Tom, and today you'll be riding along with me on southbound I-55 in Illinois. To all our first-time visitors, I would first of all like to say welcome. And if you enjoy this video, I would love it if you could hit that like and subscribe button, which is, believe it or not, an enormous help to me in being able to create more videos just like this. I would also encourage you to leave a comment on this video, and I try to reply to all of them when I find the time. So this video begins in Pontiac, Illinois as we get back onto I-55. We will continue on I-55 south towards Bloomington as we pass along Chenoa, Lexington, and Towanda. This video concludes after I-55 merges with I-74 as they both travel through Normal and Bloomington. This video is from the first day of my 10-day adventure out to California and back, which include video from a handful of national parks and monuments, as well as over 6,000 miles of dashcam footage from states like Oklahoma, Texas, and Arizona, to just name a few. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss anything. But for now, I'm going to keep driving south on I-55 along historic Route US 66. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. In the next video from this trip, we will continue heading south on I-55 towards St. Louis, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.